Right, thanks for joining me once again. Today we have a light fitting. Now, excuse the state of the box, they seem to always come like this. I've bought several of these because they're useful for around your gardens. They tend to come like this, but again, this one's from CPC. Now, it's just a straightforward bulkhead light, made of plastic, as you can see. But the fun with this is they're less than £4, which for a light fitting is very good. And I tend to use Philips Hue bulbs in these, so I can remotely control them and stuff. I shall open this because you get the light fitting, you get the actual fixings. Obviously you don't get a light bulb, and it's glass, it's not plastic, the main lens bit, I should say. Good. But the actual body of the thing is plastic. You can get them in white. This knife is rubbish. You can get them in white or black. I tend to get the black ones because they look nice and tidy. As you can see, all plugs and a couple of screws. Some little instructions. Another thing I want to add is this is less than £4 from CPC, including the VAT here in the UK, and the exact same light you can get elsewhere and they charge you like £10 or something. It's exactly the same light, apart from I think they refer to it as a MiniSun Bulkhead Light. But like Wayfair, I think it's more than £10 possibly. It's just your normal instructions of how to set up a light and being safe. But yeah, Wayfair rip off with some of their prices. In a bag. And there you go. Glass. Very cold glass. Thick glass as well. If I just undo this and show you inside. Because if you remember on the video for the Wayfair light, I said about how the fittings for the light seem to always be like that ceramic. That's why, because this is another one. Thick glass, cold thick glass, because it's only just arrived. Textured inside, but that's glass, as you can see. And then you've just got the you pop your bulb in there, which where I've got a Philips Hue somewhere. This is a Philips Hue. They are small, don't get me wrong, but if you were just putting a normal size light bulb in there, it's fine. See? Perfect for remote control lighting. And as the Philips Hue bulbs are like around £15, light fitting £4, so less than £20 you've got a remote control light, which I personally think is very good value. Thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and join me next time for something else. Bye for now.